You guys, I'm Characteristic, and today I'm going to show you how to add Colision to your Scratch projects. So, go to scratch.mit.edu and get on Create. If you're doing this from a previous project or just following the video, then go on that. So I've got this from the previous video. Now, go on Events, go when flag clicked, on Events, and then go to Control and get Forever, then get If, then go on Sensing, get If Touching Color, and then get on Motion and go to and wherever you want it to go to. So now that we've got that, we will get some more stuff going. So now we need to make a sprite. So just get on this and go on Paint. I'm gonna make just a rectangle. Make it just a simple rectangle. That's all you need. Make it a bit smaller, maybe. Yeah, so you can just move it like that. Yeah, that's good. So now we have our sprite. Now we can go back onto this sprite and go on here, press on this, and go on the edge. Press on that, and now we will hopefully be able to, yes. And now, whenever you hit it, it will put you back. So that's it for this video. That's all you need. So yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.